This will now plug in on any port on the receiver. Power, so we're going to pick the one that's just in between. Great to see how tight some of these installations do get every so often because of the space available, but I won't try and actually get the cam too close. Nice and clean there. A lot of wires, but at least it's clean, not obtrusive. There you go. It's a nice clean installation. Last point, just hook this up. Customer will have to calibrate it to his radio as normal. You can't do anything about that. There's no magic formula that you can use. It is as it is. Getting close to the end of the configuration for the guy. This is a really long build because there's some stuff I had to do in between to get it ready. Done. Last is for this car and all the D series 6, 7 and 8. I'm putting on the BeamCat alloy battery strappy thingy. Seems to work a lot better than the plastic holders in place. Doesn't tend to move as much. We don't use that on it. It's Velcro. Don't like the idea of Velcro. We're going to be using basically tape to hold the battery on over the top of the battery instead of going underneath the chassis. But BeamCat make a really good product, which is the alloy battery holder. There's very little in the way of problems with these. You'll see why when I put it together. Keep an eye on it, but it's a really good idea. If you've got a D06, 7 or 8, grab these. Get them installed. They're really, really good. I've got them installed if you need them, but yeah, just see how you go. On with the build. I knew I should have put these on before I put the brackets in place. So the screw is actually showing there, the thread. Don't worry, it will not cut the tape. Filament tape is really difficult to cut, and it'll actually make it a lot better just to strap it over the top instead of running the actual tape underneath. It just tends to be a bit messy, and when you tend to go over gutters, you know, rough ground, it tends to cut the tape. Done, finished installation. It's actually quite long. I think it's nearly 40 minutes. Tossing and turning what to do, what not to do, get it nice and clean. But there you go, customer's installation, ready to go, plugged in. This is pretty much standard what I do for a lot of guys. Nothing special, but just to give you an idea on how you can achieve a nice clean installation. Good tools, bit of patience, map out what you need to do, you know, tuck your wires away as much as possible, see how far you can go to make it neat. It is not what's classified to by couple of guys mod pro, but it is neat. At least you can get to the wires as you need to. You can tuck them away a bit more if you wanted to make it look even better. We can go more intense than that, but then it becomes a pain in the ass. Alright, enjoy, see what you can make out of that one, and that's using the VBC D08 as a base chassis. Hasn't even been run, maybe twice, 3 times. 10 powers, 21.5 motor, Radon Pro ESC V2, Spectrum radio system. The receiver's a bit big, but you can always get the smaller one, which will make it a bit easier. And the Actinium Combat Series low profile servo. Nice, reasonably priced servo, and lots of good grunt, a little bit of very marginal slop on the steering, but not as much as what I've seen others have. But it's been good. They don't break, which is the best part of it. And WTF fan on the back. 3416 windy, as much as what you need and more than what you need. And obviously the beam cap mounts. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.